The UAG Monarch carbon fiber case for the Galaxy S25 Ultra is a premium, rugged case that combines style with unparalleled protection. Handcrafted with 5 layers of defense, this case features UAG's signature armor frame, a shock-resistant core, carbon fiber or top-grain leather accents, a polycarbonate shear plate, alloy metal hardware, and impact-resistant rubber surround. The result is a feather-light yet incredibly durable case that ensures your device is safeguarded against drops, scratches, and everyday wear and tear. One of the standout features of the Monarch carbon fiber case is its contoured perimeter edge, designed with an anti-slip traction grip. This ensures secure handling, even in challenging conditions, making it ideal for users who prioritize both protection and usability. The case is also compatible with MagSafe and MagSafe accessories, thanks to its powerful built-in magnet module. This allows for seamless attachment to magnetic chargers and accessories, while maintaining compatibility with most third-party wireless chargers and Samsung Pay. The case features a soft raised screen surround and camera bezel to protect against scratches, plus oversized tactile buttons for crisp click feel. Integrated lanyard anchor points and precise cutouts ensure full access to the S Pen and ports. Meeting military-grade MIL STD 810 G516.6 standards with 25 feet of drop protection, the case's sculpted corners and hex pattern design maximize shock absorption for Galaxy S25 Ultra users, requiring premium protection. While the UAG Monarch carbon fiber case is on the pricier side, its combination of premium materials, advanced protection, and sleek design make it a worthwhile investment for anyone looking to keep their device safe in style.